Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yasser and today I'm excited to show you this style. I think it's so cute. If you're new to the channel, guys, don't forget to subscribe. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for being awesome, for being fabulous, for subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you know when I do upload a new video. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, don't forget to leave a thumbs up down below. Just thumbs up the video and also leave a comment below if you have something to say. So keep watching the video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope I see you next time on the channel and have a nice week. Okay guys, so getting into this, I am starting on freshly co-washed hair. I like to do this kind of style just to stretch out my hair. I'm using Cream of Nature's Argan Styling Lotion and I'm just putting that into my hair, and I'm also using almond oil into my hair this time. I usually alternate between almond oil, olive oil and coconut oil. So I'm just putting that into my hair, and because I'm the laziest natural, this is how I detangle my hair when I feel lazy, which is all the time. So to start the style, I'm just going to divide a section. I'm patting the hair with a line all the way to the back, and then within that line I'm just cutting boxes about an inch, and I'm just going to use a rubber band and gel. Whichever gel you have is great. So I'm just putting the gel on the base of my hair and then taking the rubber band and tying the little box of hair. I'm going to repeat that 5 times in that one line. As you can see, that's the second box, and I'm just doing the same thing again, a little bit of gel on the base and then tying it with a rubber band. So I repeat that until I get to the end of the line, and I end up with about 5 boxes. So to stitch them together, all I'm doing again is taking a little bit of gel and rubbing it on my hair and then twisting it as I'm rubbing the gel in my hair. I pull that section and then I tie it to the section at the back. So I'm just trying to create a line. That's all I'm doing. So again, I'm just repeating to show you guys. I twisted it with a little bit of gel, and then I am using the small rubber band again to tie it to the section on the back of it. The reason I'm using gel is to avoid any frizz and to make sure all the hair is just tucked away and stuck together. It just makes the line look neat. If you want, you can probably do a braid or a flat twist if that works better for you. I just wanted to do this for people who don't know how to flat twist or like braid, and I think like the little accessories actually look better when you use the rubber band method. So the last section here, as you can see, I'm just making a little bantu knot at the end to make sure that hair is tucked away and it's not going to be left outside like so. So I repeated the knot section. I am using Lauder Body's foam to use that to help my hair curl better. As you can see, I'm just applying it in my hair and then twisting my hair. I'm not creating a twist, I'm just twisting the hair around itself until it starts folding, and then I just pretty much roll it around and create a bantu knot. Make sure you detangle your hair before you apply the foam or before you roll your hair, just to make sure like the next day or after the hair is dry, it's going to be easier to part, because if it's not detangled then you're going to have a lot of frizz. So that's what it looks like at the end. So I did go under a dryer. You can sleep overnight with it if you want to, but I just went under a dryer and I let my hair dry, and now I'm just unraveling the bantu knot. As you can see, like the curl actually came up really well. I think it's like the Lauder Body foaming lotion, because like my bantu knots have never looked like this before ever. So just to unravel and to avoid a lot of frizz, I'm just sort of like, you know, untwisting the hair in like a different direction from the one that I twisted in, and then I'm going on ahead and separating my hair after that. So this is what it looks like after. I'm just going to go in with my afro pick comb and pick out my hair just to remove the parts and to just, you know, pull it up a little bit. And I'm doing that from the front to the back. It just makes it easier and it looks better with the parts. And I'm just playing with that to achieve the look that I want to. But this is pretty much it for the style, guys. So just to accessorize things, I'm adding those little hair accessories. You can add whichever ones you use I have gold ones, so those are the ones I am using. I did add 4 on each side. So this is pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for coming by. Don't forget to subscribe and also like the video to support the channel. Thank you. Bye.